teach you U sound words. Page number 24. Let's start with number 1. C U B curve. CUB curve. Now number 2, H U B HUB hub. HUB hub. Now number 3, N U B NUB nub. Now number 4, T U B TUB tub. Number 5, B U G BUG bug. Number 5, BUG bug. Number 6, D U G DUG dug. Number 7, H U G HUG hug. Number 8, J U G JUG jug. Number 9, B U N BUN bun. Number 10, F U N FUN fun. Number 11, G U N GUN gun. Number 12, N U N. Tell me students, what is this? NUN none. Number 13, B U T bird. Beauty bird. Number 14, C U T CUT cut. Number 15, G U T GUT gut. Number 16, H U T. HUT, heart. Now read aloud with me. Number 1, CUB, curve. Number 2, HUB, hug. Number 3, NUB, nerve. Number 4, TUB, tub. Number 5, DUG, bug. Number 6, DUG, dog. Number 7, HUG, hug. Number 8, JUG, jug. Number 9, BUN, bun. Number 10, FUN, fun. Number 11, GUN, gun. Number 12, NUN, none. Number 13, BUT, bird. Number 14, CUT, cut. Number 15, GUT, gut. Number 16, HUT, hut. Dear friends, now start fill up. Use of page number 27. Number 1, GUN, gun. GUN, gun. GUN, gun. Number 1, G-N. Now tell me, what will be right here? Yes, correct. It's U. GUN, gun. GUN, gun. Number 2, CUB, cup. CUB, cup. CUB, cup. C-B. Now tell me, what will be right here? Yes, correct. It's U. C-U-B, cup. C-U-B, cup. Now number 3, B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. Number 3, B-G. Okay, tell me friends, what will be right here? Yes, right. It's U. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. Number 4, C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Number 4, C-P. Now tell me, what will be right here? Yes, correct. U. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Now number 5, S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Number 5, S-N. S-N. Now tell me, what will be right here? Yes, correct. U. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Now number 6, M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. Number 6, M-G. Okay, now tell me students, what will be right here? Yes, correct. It's U. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug.